Here is your book, and we will do the chapter 8. Chapter number 8. Open chapter number 8. Everyone, this is your English grammar class. Keep in your mind, this is English grammar class. Open this chapter. Chapter 8. Chapter 8. Chapter 8. Read these sentences. Okay? So, read all the sentences with me loudly. Can you see? It is written that Hari. This is Hari. He plays the piano. This is Hari and he plays the piano. He plays the piano. This is Hari. He plays the piano. Shima is my sister and she likes ice cream. And the next sentence is, I am hot, I live in the sky, I am the sun. After this sentence, it is written that the pencil is, after that it is written that the pencil is on the table and it is blue in color. So, what I want to say? I want to say that sometimes we don't want to use same naming word repeatedly. Again and again we don't want to use, and it also sounds very bad. Then what we do? Then we use word like I. Then we use the word I, you, he, she, it, and they in the place of the naming word. Okay, if I say, let me Irene. Okay, if I say that Irene is a girl, Irene reads in standard 1. Irene has a pet. Irene is a student of St. Xavier Public School. So it sounds very bad. So instead of using the word Irene, instead of using the naming word Irene, I can also say that Irene is a girl. She reads in standard 1. She has a pet. She is a student of St. Xavier's Public School. Yes. And Irene is a girl. I use the pronoun she. But if I talk about Himadri, I can say he. Himadri is a good boy. He reads in standard 1. He is a student of St. Xavier's Public School. Okay. Next, another example. I have a dog. I can say that I have a dog. It is black in color. So when I am talking about any animal, when about talking about a thing, the pronoun that will be used, it. It. See, here it is written that I. The pencil is on the table. The pencil is on the table and it is blue in color. So you can ask me, ma'am, why it used here? Why not he? Why not she? Why not you? Because pencil is a thing. It is a thing. It's a genius. It's not a human being. Okay. And also for animal, we use it. Look at this sentence. We use it for a thing or for an animal. Most of the students forget this thing. Also for animal, they use he, she, but no, for animal and for a thing, you should use it. Understand? And for one woman, you should use she, and we use he for one boy. More than one, we can use they. More than one, we can use they, they. And we can use I and you for a boy, girl, woman. Okay. Keep this in your mind when you are talking about yourself, that I am a girl, I am a teacher. We can use the pronoun repeatedly I. I'm giving you one example. I am Ria. Okay, I am Ria. I am a teacher. I have a pet. I love to read book. So in that case, I can say I. Okay. Is it clear? So when you want to talk about this is Hari. So in this sentence, you are talking about Hari. Hari is not, Hari is a third person. Hari is another person and he is a boy. So we should not use his name Hari repeatedly. Using his name, we can say that he plays the piano. Shima is a girl, so we will use she. Okay, for the pencil, here it has been used it. So very easy. Okay, and for you where we will use the pronoun you. Now I'm asking you, so you mean, I mean the person who is talking, and you mean to whom I'm talking. আমি কার সাথে কথা বলছি, to whom I am talking. Okay, so I is first person, who is the speaker, you is second person, to whom he is or she is speaking. Now I'm talking with you, so you is second person. Understand? Now this thing will be very easy for you when you will go through the exercises. Now do exercise A. All of you do exercise A with me. Do exercise A with me. Do the exercise with me. Acha, Shivangni, unmute your device. Shivangni, tell me. Miss Jane had a bag. Miss Jane had a bag. She opened the bag. Okay, tell me number 2. Tell me number 2. I'm unmuting you all, but don't shout, okay? Maria is a naughty girl. She loves to play tricks. 3. The crow felt thirsty. The crow felt thirsty. No, I-T-E. Very good. I-T-E. Why? Because it is animal.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, say.
দেখান না।
You can.
IMC go to washroom.
Yes, you can. I'm sharing my screen. Yes, you can.
আমি আকারটা করুন না। Go to the washroom. Ma'am, IMC go to washroom.
Yes, you can.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who are you? Tell me your name.
My name is Segemdi Mera.
IMC
go to washroom.
Yes, you can go.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, go to the washroom.
Yes, you can.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. আগেরটা দেখান না।
Look at your book. Open page 36. Don't you have your own book? Now I am doing exercise, but these all things are in your own book. These all things are in your own book. This is your own book. Look at the book. Look at your book, page 36. Open page 36. Open page 36. Now student, go to the next page. Open page 37. Open page 37. Open page 37.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Do it me, okay? Okay. Don't shout. 1 minute. Kiran is my brother. Kiran is my very good. My mother is in Chennai. She She went to Chennai. Don't shout. Don't shout. Yes. Mohan asked me.
ম্যাম সেই দাগগুলো করছিলেন সেইগুলো এমনি করে দেখান না আমি
এটা ইউ হবে
Okay.
why
Are you hungry?
now
Student, why you started shouting? And Binjahil, this is your book. This is your book. And for the underline, these are normal underline, not normal underline. You need to read a whole chapter. You need to read the whole chapter. Look at your own book. Orghopal Zubaidul, open your video. And now do this page and don't start it shouting. This is an apple tree. My uncle planted it. My uncle planted it. Why it? Because now in this sentence we are talking about the apple tree. Yes, not about the uncle. Rekha loves pets. Dash has. It has no. She has 2 dogs. We are talking about Rekha. That Rekha loves pets. She has 2 dogs, a cat and a rabbit. Tanvir studies in class 1. Tanvir studies in class 1. Dash is 6 years old. He is 6 years old. Who? Tanvir. Tanvir is 6 years old. Okay. Tanvir is 6 years old. This is my house. This is my house. I live here. This is my house. I live here. This is my house. I live here. Understand? Everyone copy all the answer. Then I will talk to you again. Acha, yes, Bonnabu.
ma'am please take my book
What?
please take my book
Okay. 1 minute. Okay, very good.
thank you ma'am
Very good. Acha.
thank you ma'am
Acha. Now do exercise B. Now do exercise B. Now do exercise B. Now do exercise B. Harish, look at my screen. Harish is a little boy. Harish is 3 years old. He. So you have to replace the word naming word. He. He is 3 years old. Harish is a little boy. He is 3 years old. Replace the underlined naming word in the sentence with the correct word from the bracket. Okay. He. Shita's mother bought her a toy car. She bought it from a toy store nearby. So Shita's mother bought her a toy car. She bought it. She bought it from a toy store nearby. I didn't say. What will be the answer of question number 2?
C
C. So replace the underlined naming word in each sentence with the correct word. Okay, Shita's mother. Yes, C. Already it is written. I know, she already it is written, but we have to understand about the underlined word. If our underlined word is blue, boy, so we will tick on he. Is girl, we will tick on she. So here she. Acha, Henu brushes her teeth every day. Das has sparkle teeth. She. Velu went to the shop, wanted to buy sweet. Velu. Now confusing name na Velu. 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 He. Okay, he is a boy. Velu is a boy. Shethu plays cricket. That is a good player. We can Shethu. He. Savannah is a student. Lives in Lucknow. She. The king is old. Has long curly hair and a beard. The king is old and he has long curly hair and a beard. Beard. Dari. Understand? Do. Completed? All of you have completed this? Those who have completed, they can show me their book. Ayush, very good. Irene, Gornambho, okay. Afrin, Mehrab, Ayush, okay, good boy. Very good, Gornambho. Oshani, very good. Himadri, okay. Nishan, very good, Himadri. You can keep it down. Oishani, very good. Ashna, Shivagni, very good. Sanchayon, Rashi, okay. Pratyusha, Deeptha Bhor, acha. Deeptha Bhor, keep it down. Keep your book down. Okay. Swastik, Chayonika, Shagnik, Srishti, Ronak Roy. Very good. Aryan and Rihan. Acha, Rihan, after the class also do in your separate copy, okay? Write all the answer in your English grammar copy. Very good, Srishti, Shagnik, Chayonika. Zubaidul, Orghopal, switch on your video. Zubaidul and Orghopal, switch on your video. Okay, very good. Completed, very easy chapter. So as in this week we have completed this chapter and tomorrow we will do a new chapter. Or else we can also revise this chapter also. We can also take a revision of this chapter. Okay, we have also completed describing what that chapter. So in this coming online test, question will be only these two chapters. Okay.